Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forest Shuffle. To begin, each player receives a cave card and 6 cards for their hand. The game board, called the clearing, is placed centrally. The main deck is carefully prepared by setting aside 3 winter cards, removing some cards based on player count, then dividing the rest into 3 piles. 2 winter cards are shuffled into one pile, and the third is placed on top. During your turn, you have 2 main options. You can either draw 2 cards, taking them from the main deck or the face-up clearing, or a combination of both. Alternatively, you can play 1 card from your hand into your forest. To play a card, you must pay its cost by discarding other cards from your hand into the clearing. This strategic choice is key to building your thriving forest. Your forest grows by playing cards. There are 2 main types, tree cards and split cards. Tree cards form the base of your forest, offering 4 slots for other cards. Split cards depict 2 forest dwellers, such as animals or plants. When playing a split card, you choose 1/2, pay its cost, and slide it under a tree, ensuring it aligns with an empty slot. This creates a diverse and interconnected habitat. The game concludes when the 3rd winter card is drawn from the deck, ending play immediately. At this point, all players tally their scores. You'll count the points from all visible cards in your personal forest, considering various combinations and conditions. Additionally, any cards you've strategically placed under your cave card will also contribute 1 point each to your final score. The player with the highest total points wins.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.